Go to Insert, Shapes, Oval. Hold Shift to make it a perfect circle. Set Shape Outline to No Outline. Change the shape fill to a soft gray to make it look like a realistic shadow. Go to Insert, Shapes, Cylinder. Place it over the circle. Drag the yellow handle down to adjust the perspective. Remove the outline and apply a solid color. Group once both shapes are aligned. After that, duplicate the group shapes 2 more times and place them as preferred. And give colors. Add numbers 1, 2, 3 on the cylinders. Insert text boxes nearby. Match the font color with the respective cylinder's color for a professional look. Duplicate the slide. In the second slide, move the cylinders and text to new positions. Go to Transitions, Morph. Set the duration to 3.50 seconds. Note: the morph transition only works if the objects on both slides have the same name in the selection pane or are direct duplicates. Here is the final outlook of the presentation.